Welcome to today's tutorial, brought to you by 𝐒𝐑𝐊 Technical Solutions. We're here to break down the technology behind one of the most important elements of our everyday lives: screens. From smartphones to computers, televisions to tablets, screens are everywhere. They've become an essential part of how we connect with the digital world. But have you ever wondered exactly how they work? Today we'll dive into the technology that powers the screens we use every day. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these devices bring images, videos, and content to life. Let's start by understanding what a screen is. A screen is essentially a display that shows images, videos, and text by lighting up tiny pixels. These pixels are the building blocks of every image, and how they behave depends on the technology behind the screen. There are several types of screens, and each one has its own way of displaying images. The most common are LCD, LED, and OLED screens. LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD screens use liquid crystals to create an image. These crystals don't produce light themselves, instead they rely on a backlight, often made from LEDs, to make the image visible. The liquid crystals change the way light passes through, forming the image we see. LED, light-emitting diode. LED screens are a type of LCD that uses LEDs for backlighting. These screens are more energy efficient and can produce brighter and sharper images compared to traditional LCDs. OLED, organic light-emitting diode. OLED screens, on the other hand, don't need a backlight. Each pixel emits its own light when an electric current passes through it. This allows OLED screens to deliver deeper blacks and more vibrant colors, creating stunning visuals. Now let's take a closer look at the most fundamental part of any screen: the pixel. A pixel is the smallest unit that makes up the entire image you see on the screen. Each pixel contains 3 subpixels: red, green, and blue, or RGB. By combining these 3 colors in varying intensities, pixels can produce any color on the screen. The more pixels a screen has, the higher the resolution, and the sharper the image will be. Resolution is the number of pixels that make up the image. For example, a full HD screen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, while a 4K screen has 3840 by 2160 pixels. The higher the resolution, the more detail you can see. Pixel density is another important factor that impacts the sharpness of an image. This is measured in pixels per inch, or PPI. A higher PPI means the pixels are packed more tightly together, resulting in a sharper, crisper image. Another key factor in screen performance is refresh rate. This refers to how many times the screen refreshes the image per second. It's measured in Hz, or 𝐻z. Common refresh rates include 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and even 240 Hz. A higher refresh rate means smoother motion, which is crucial for gaming and video content. For example, if you're playing a fast-paced game or watching action-packed scenes, a 120 Hz or 240 Hz refresh rate will give you a much smoother experience compared to the standard 60 Hz. Now let's look at touchscreens, a technology we use every day on smartphones, tablets, and laptops. There are 2 main types of touchscreens you'll encounter: resistive and capacitive. Resistive touchscreens. Resistive touchscreens detect touch when 2 layers inside the screen come into contact with pressure, such as pressing the screen with your finger or a stylus. Capacitive touchscreens. Capacitive touchscreens, which are more common in modern devices, use the electrical properties of your finger to register touch. They can detect multiple touches simultaneously, which is why they're ideal for smartphones and tablets. With all this technology at play, it's important to take good care of your screen. Here are some quick tips to maintain the durability of your devices. Use a screen protector to prevent scratches. Keep your device clean with a soft microfiber cloth. Avoid exposing your screen to extreme temperatures, as this can damage the pixels. At 𝐒𝐑𝐊 Technical Solutions, we offer expert screen repairs and replacements. If your device's screen is cracked or damaged, contact us today for a professional fix. Now that you have a better understanding of how screens work, we hope you feel more confident in choosing and taking care of your devices. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, sponsored by 𝐒𝐑𝐊 Technical Solutions. We're committed to bringing you the best in technology, from screen repairs to app development and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who might find it useful. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on all things technology. Until next time, take care of your devices, and we'll see you in the next video.